Yo, what's up with it, guys? It is game day in Tirana. We don't know who they're playing, but it is definitely lively. We're gonna try to show you a little bit of that. We went out to get a slice of pizza and we found out that it was game day, so I guess we'll go take a look and see what that looks like. So I definitely didn't expect to see all this when I went out to get a slice of pizza. It's definitely a cultural experience. Alright guys, so we got our Albania flag and it's been an interesting night. Good energy all around. This is our first time seeing game day over here where everybody's out in the streets. We live right next to the stadium, so it's completely packed right now. The streets are crazy. I never expected this coming out to get a slice of pizza, but I'm loving it and I love Albania. Alright guys, so we are headed back to the crib. We're going to call it a night. We got some editing to do, but I'm glad we were able to catch this and bring it to you and show you all the positive vibes. Seems like a pretty cool little experience, you know? It wasn't what we were expecting when we walked out the house tonight.
Yeah, definitely a good surprise.
We're like, let's just go get a slice of pizza and hit the pharmacy, and then it's like, oh man, everybody's out, everybody's chilling, singing songs, like pretty cool stuff, man. What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. And we help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.